Welcome back to some more blueprints. I'm DrGluon, and we're back, and we're gonna get the throne room today. Now, just for a little bit of context here, a little bit of a transparency. I am recording this after streaming for about gosh, what is it? 16 hours. So it's streaming about 16 hours. And I'm playing this now, so maybe my brain ain't quite working properly, but that's okay, because you know what, we're so locked in, because today we're gonna be getting the throne room and open up the blue door. Also, I've got my lovely chat to help guide us in the right spot, so everything's gonna be fine. Everything's gonna be fine. Chat, what do? I don't know what I'm doing anymore. I don't know what I'm doing anymore. Right, so vote now on why is that all messed up? Why is that all messed up? Why is that all gone goofy? Let me reset that. Maybe I can. Throne room is blue now. Yeah, it is blue now, but it's still coded as black. We discovered that was the issue. Okay, there it goes. Luckily, I didn't mess something up. It was just messing up. Yeah, no. We thought it was blue, but it's black. Things are going to go worse than normal. I have a feeling things are going to go perfectly. Yeah, we thought the throne room was blue. And so we pushed to get blue color rooms. Then we found out there was a bug. Even though the room is blue, it's still encoded as black, and we need to go find black rooms. It is. Wait, have they fixed it? Are you saying they fixed it, Link? So it is blue now? Are you saying they fixed it? Because if they fixed it... Sorry. No, maybe not. I thought it was. Okay, yeah. No, there's a bug. A known bug where even though technically the color of the room is, yes, it's blue, it's still coded in black. So that way, if you... Apparently, there's been an update for a while. Yeah, I don't know. So we're gonna go with our instincts here. We're gonna get root cell, because what chat voted on. And yeah. That is a wall of the wall of text. Wait. Oh yeah, sorry. If it's also add someone, I probably won't read either. Does anyone else get a different frequency as depending on? It's about the same amounts. The ads come through, and what they do is they cut out the pre-rolls that will come on. So people, when they come into the stream, or when you come in the stream, there's no ad at the beginning. So I've got the minimum amount of ads set up to cut out. Wait, what is this doing here? Wait, why is that here? That's never been there before. Why is there a glass here? What the heck? Why was the microchip there? Is that weird? You dug it up at some point and just plunked it there? So where are the other three? Are they not back in here? Now I have to see if they're there still. They're in my pocket where they quit, so where'd the other ones go then? Where'd the other one go? Oh no. I assume they put them all back in here. Oh, entry hall? Oh, okay, okay. The other one was in the entry hall. Oh, it is here. Yeah. Okay. Good. Whew. Okay, we know it puts them in there if they get lost. Okay, so now we're pushing black, right? Right. This is pushing. The scepter is still blue. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. I think we get hallway here, but let me see what you think. See what you think. Yeah. No, we're okay. I kind of freaked out there for a moment. I'm like, my gosh, you all got scattered. Thank you so much for the 63 months. Appreciate you. Yeah, it's been a very nice stream. I've very much enjoyed it. I think everyone's been very sweet and amazing and very supportive of the stream as well. So we're live on all the places. Thanks for all those likes there on the clock app as well. I see this coming in. How do the days work? I don't know. I have no idea. Okay, I thought this one too, but I just figured I'd ask him. Okay, let's see here. Okay, that key, and then... Oh, yeah, you gotta try a little harder. Okay, we gotta get 4 gems. Remember that? Yeah, that's the problem. Or 5 gems. Oh, I got 14 gems. Right, because we did the freezer. Yeah. Hey, how you doing? So we want to get this. Oh gosh, I don't know what to do here. Maybe eggs and bacon. What do you think? I want to get this throne room as soon as possible. Parlor. Go. These are all dead ends. These all will be dead ends. So what do you think? I already have 15 gems, so we haven't got our gems. Breakfast Nook gets us a key and some bacon. It sounds really good right now. You know what I mean? Okay. Right, let's go this way. Ah, there it is. Let's go. All right, now. Right, now. I'll just pull this lever. Wrong lever. So this... Yeah, but now do I have to do that? Oh, wait, I have to get... Now, hang on a second. Is that part of it? Next time you draft 8 blueprints in a row, permanently unlock all the blue sealed doors. Oh, all the blue sealed doors. Well, I didn't know there was an extra step to this, like, little puzzle here. How many goes do I get at this little challenge? Okay, well, we had to go blue. No, I know. I thought that was like an extra credit deal. I thought that was like extra credit. I didn't know that was like the thing. 1. Can I go back? Do I have to go? Do I have to keep going this way? Did we just start? We did not just start. Oh, we started this game, yeah. Okay, well... Oh, it says at the top, doesn't it? Yeah. Okay, so we've always screwed up here. You sell dice? Oh, shovel will be good, though. I don't need gems. Okay, no one panic. This is gonna go so bad. We have luck on our side. Oh yeah, we need a classroom. True. Yeah, I didn't even think about that. Yeah, classroom would have been really good. Okay, we'll go this way. Okay, we got one. It's gonna make us do real stupid things, isn't it? It's gonna make us do real stupid things. Now, Catherine isn't here to help me. So, this is our new chat, whoever's left. What do you think? Can we get this one done? I might play more of it in a little bit if we've got time. 16. Okay, 16, remember that. No, we're okay. People are smart, Next one. By not taking it, I can math. You got this. 1. You were correct. Okay, good. 16 and 1. Yeah, we did play Nancy earlier. 16 and 1. Oh, I'm so happy, Daddy. Next year, another DrGluon 4. 16, 1. No, 16, 1, 10. 16, 1, 10. What's this one? Oh, did you? 16, 1, 10. And this one? Good morning to you. 16, 1, 10, 2, 4. 4. 16, 1, 10, 4. Nice. Good job. Well, that's not going to help me, is it? Because that's just, that's not a blue door, is it? Okay. We got 1, so... oh boy, let's go back over here. Let's fill out some of these rooms here. Pantry, that's 2. Okay. Parlor. 8 rooms. Oof. Okay. All right, what we got here? Let's do a little poly here. The gems are in the only true box. The only one statement is true. The gems are in the blue box. Okay. Let's see. The gems are in the only true box. If true, the only true box. If true, then that would mean they're in this box. The gems are in the blue box. If that's true, that's suggesting there's only one true box. And there's only one true statement. That would also be true. So the whole thing being true just doesn't work. That cannot be true. Nor can that. The gems are in the blue box is the only one that's true. That's lying. That's lying. There is only one true statement that's true. That's telling the truth. Wait. Only one statement is true. Is it counting itself? That's what gets tricky. Does it count itself in that? The gems are in the blue box. Yes, so it's black. The gems are in the one in the only true box. That's gotta be counting itself. Of course it counts itself. Only one statement is true. But to be true, that itself would be true. If it counts itself, the only one statement is true. Okay, it has to count on all of them, right? So if this is true, then this is the true one, which means this is false. The gems are not in the blue box. And this is false. The gems are in the true box, which means the gems would be in the black box. If that's true, the gems are in the black box. Because this is lying. And that's lying. Now, if this is true, the gems are in the blue box. And this is false. There could then be two trues. The gems are in the only true box. I'm going to say black. I think it's black. It was. It was. Yeah, I think that middle box was really the only one giving away. Not bad for a guy who's been up for 16 hours. Am I right, chats? Oh, what a coin purse. Yoink. Okay. No, those are tricky. It's really tricky to know if they're talking about themselves or not. All right, so we got 3. So now we need 5 more. This is just going to ruin us. And of course, having black be the thing that gets pulled through the crown is throwing it off as well. We votes were right. Well, technically it was wrong. The first one was blue. All right, let's see here. We want blue. Okay. This is okay. This is okay. Do. Study is fine. It's counting 3 doors. All right, so righty then. A dead end, but this is okay. Not ideal. That turnip's the size of his head. Pebbles. We just need 2 more. So we've hit a dead end here. We gotta go to the shop again. We need dice. We do need dice. No, I'm good. You can withdraw using gems. Oh, I can? Wait, what? How do you figure? Because the study. Oh, that's good. Oh, shoot. Are you kidding me? Oh, we have a card. We're okay. Geesh, I forgot about that. I can't imagine. Okay, this counts as blue, right? Still blue on aquarium? That'll count, right? Okay. Yeah. Well, if I can redraw, then shoot. I think we got this. One more to go. Doesn't matter. We don't need it. Laboratory and bloom. Right, let's get our prize, chat. Let's get our prize. Easy, no problem. No problem. Let's get our prize. It's all opened up. I gotta get the microchips first, though. Yeah. Don't forget the microchips. We good. This is a big moment, right? This is a big moment in our game, as far as our game goes. It's huge. Yeah. It feels big. We're not just gonna get like a piece of paper that says something that doesn't make any sense, and then that's him. I mean, to get to this point, we have done so much. We have to dig out this whole place. We had to clear out all these boxes. It's been a whole thing. Happy to watch it live. Good to have you here. I gotta unlock all these doors, which we did. Then we got the microchips, which we've already got these, so that's good. And that's opened up. And now the blue door. Ooh. Oh my gosh, you kidding me right now? Oh my gosh, what? Well, this is scary. Why? Grandpa, at this point, why? Why? Are you just like, I need to just double check to make sure you're really deserving to be here? Show us the boxes. All right, here we go. You have reached the end of your journey. There are 2 true boxes in this room. There is no end to this journey. I'm kind of feeling that that's the case. I don't know. What? Grandpa, I'm getting tired of this. Seriously, Grandpa. You think it is? 1 for blue, 2 for white, 3 for black. You have reached the end of your journey. I feel like that isn't true. Kaylin with 89 months. Thank you so much. Appreciate you. Fez, man. No worries. Thank you so much. No pressure or anything. Yeah, we just don't want to stop getting this one. There are 2 true boxes in this room. If that's true, then that's true, and then this is true. These both cannot be true or false. It's either they've come to the end or there is no true end. Yeah, this is like a special one. It's a 50-50 chance. There is no end to this journey. I don't know. Is there not an end? This door stays unlocked, so you can come back here. Oh, are you saying that? So we are okay. What if we choose the true one? Find room 46. We did that already. Chat is confident it's black. I'm okay. I quite think it's chill, you know. It's quite a nice game to play after a 15-hour day. Yeah. It must be black. It must be black. Okay. Once I go black, can't go back. Oh, cutscene. Take a little picture there, you know, little picture. I mean, the cutscene means it's right? It's gotta be. It's IOU. Ooh. Oh, there's nothing in it. He's questioning now. He's like, shoot. Poor Simon. Wait, is there something on the lid? Is there something on the lid? There's something on the lid. There's nothing on the lid. That was it? So Grandpa, why? Why you gotta mess with me, man? He looked like he was looking at the lid. You're so far ahead of this game, I feel like miles behind. It does look suspicious, doesn't it? He looked at it weirdly, but I mean, what can I tell from this picture? Swirls? I don't know. It's like a false bottom to me. I can't do nothing. He's just playing with our mind. I wonder what color of the old kingdom. I don't know. So, was that the correct box? Does someone know? Are these questions always different? Like, I'm so perplexed right now. I don't even know. So, this is the end? New day. Okay, let's just take a picture of this box. Maybe there's something off with this box. Okay, so we're just gonna go new day then, right? Look in the bloom. Maybe, yeah. The white box is the true box. Whether the black or blue are correct, there will still be two that are true. The neighbor tune on the techno music. Oh my gosh. Well, okay, well, let's just go log out then. In the break room. So what is Grandpa testing at this point? You know what I mean? Are we good? Go to the parlor and get another cogwheel? Huh? We're gonna log out here. We cool? We cool with this? It's a spiral for the ladyship's chamber. But what does it mean though? His grandpa's testing his suppliers. Take the key from the parlor room. I've already opened it. I've already opened that. What? You could do that? I've already opened that key. My memory. I don't know. I just, I mean, maybe, but to what end? Okay, we're going to start a new day. We're going to call this a day. Yeah, we already did the parlor room. We opened that one up already. We can't get the key back. Once you've used it, you can't get it back. This one's called Gluey is Confused. Okay, we're just going to run there. It'll be open, says the chat. I would be I don't know, a little annoyed if it locked it up now. Like you do all that and then you got this like shot in the dark puzzle. Yeah, we riot. I know. The microchip, they should still be there, right? Oh, well, let's just go back here so I have to run all the way back. Just double check it. You might as well. Oh no, they are back here. Let's just double check what's up here again. Just because I haven't been up here in a while, you know. This was a thing, you know. This is magical. We've discovered this place. Look at that. Puts it all in perspective, doesn't it? Draft the pod before going down there, bruh. Wait, what? So I get two. Do you think that key really works for it? Do you think that really works? Oh, okay. Sure, okay. It's the same key. Might as well try. Sure. Well, is it the same question though? Because we can get another key from the parlor because they got the questions, you know. Hey, if you have freezer right now. We need gems. Well, I don't know. We're about to find out. So, we got the other wind-up toy, okay? We're gonna see if it's open. If it's not open, I don't know, Jen. I don't know. I mean, we got pretty lucky there, getting it open pretty quick, but I don't know, having to do that every time. It should be open. All right, well. Yeah. He hasn't gone to school in months. Yeah, but you know, this is more of an education. All right. So, all right, we're back here then. So now I've got two. Right, so are we saying the white box? All right, you're confident white box. Okay, you're wrong. Okay, so we've done the black box. It's got to be the blue box. Whoops. And they got a book. So this is the end of the journey. It only took us 3 tries. I think that's pretty good. The blueprints. And this had no cutscene, so maybe they only had a cutscene the first time. The blueprints by my mumsy. To my son Simon. In those eyes I see the world anew. There was a blueprince who sat on a blue throne. He had a blue crown made of sapphires and a blue castle made of stone. The prince had a love of all things blue. It's the only true color in my humble view. He couldn't stand the tint of the hallways or a shop. He couldn't stand the shade of the trees the green rooms brought. He seldom talked to others, for they rarely shared his view. He never went to town, nor saw the flags they flew, red flags. And do you know which game the prince insisted would play? The one that made him happy whenever skies were gray. A game he had played in the house and on the grounds, and maybe you can guess from the clues that we have found. Blueprints, he loves blueprints. It was a game full of rooms and the stories that we climb, about a house full of lies and the truth one prince finds. And as you, my reader, might already assume, this game is quite near you, in fact, in the same room. The game above you and the plans that you made about a blue prince and his blue prince. The blue game we just played. The end. Oh, isn't that lovely? Well, there we go. Yeah. So that's it. It is lovely. It was. But there was also one other thing. Another thing the blueprints liked. And that was... Yeah, that's right. You're confused? Well, let me break it down for you. You see, Grandpa fell asleep on the couch, and you gotta go to the store. His truck is out front, and all you need is Grandpa's keys. Grandpa's keys. Grandpa's keys. Grandpa's keys. Grandpa's keys. We're gonna take a ride in Grandpa's car. Grandpa's asleep. He's not waking up. So we're taking Grandpa's keys. Grandpa's keys, Grandpa's keys, Grandpa's keys. Grandpa's keys, Grandpa's keys, Grandpa's keys. Grandpa, 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 Grandpa keys. Gotta roll down the window 'cause it's stuck in here. Taking a ride in Grandpa's car. Grandpa's keys, Grandpa's keys, Grandpa's keys. Grandpa's keys, Grandpa's keys, Grandpa's keys. Grandpa's keys, Grandpa's keys, Grandpa's keys. Grandpa, 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 Grandpa keys. Yeah. 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 Grandpa, Grandpa, Grandpa's keys. All right, enough of that. All right, so did I just beat the game or what? It's at the end. It's at the end. I mean, that's the end of me, right? End. The end. End of the game. Is that it? We did it, right? There's more? No, there's no more. No, there's no more because I did this one originally and it wasn't it. It was this one. The end come to the end of the journey. See? Look at this. You have reached the end of your journey. You are a toy. You a tiny little plastic thing. There's no more. There's no more. We did it. I beat blueprints. There's nothing left. There's no red envelope. No, we're fine. What happened? 18 hours just a dug out. There's enough. What are we doing? I've done it. They said there was no other envelope. There's no other envelope. Can you give me a hint? Please give me a hint. What am I missing? What more? What could there possibly be? Did you do the red crown? I got the red crown. I mean, I don't know. There's a room with a secret. There's a room with a secret. Okay, that doesn't help me out. Red crown. What? How do I know this? How would I know what more there is? The secret is in the bam of the room, the bane of the room. This game is endless. No, it isn't. Because I picked that one thinking it was, and it wasn't right. Help us out. He's been up for too long. I tell you what we're gonna do. I tell you what we're gonna do. What we're gonna do is what we're gonna do. What the heck are we gonna do? I'm gonna get the break room, and we're gonna end here, and I'm gonna regroup my thoughts on this game. Okay, is this the end? I don't know. On my head. What about the trophies? I'm not gonna go to the trophies. I knew this at the beginning. We're gonna end it here. It's a little bit of a shorter episode, but by golly, did we come to the end of this game? Maybe. Let me know what more there is to do in the comments below, because I don't even know where to look anymore. I've searched everywhere in this game. I've unlocked all the doors. There's no more doors to unlock. I don't know. I guess we can do the angel thing and the crypt. I don't know. Let me know. We're going to end it here, though. That way, if we do have to pick up again, we're in the right spot. Let's call this a day. I don't know. I need something to pull on. A little string to pull on. Without that, I don't know. Thank you for watching. If you've been enjoying this, hit the like button. Really helps out. If you're not, hit the dislike button. Until next time, bye-bye.